Today we're going to be looking at the critical thinking skill of comparing viewpoints. It says authors write for different reasons. Every author has a different point of view. Even two people who agree about something might feel that way for different reasons. It's important to identify an author's point of view when you read. We want to identify it. And this will help you to understand why the author has written the text and what he or she wants you to learn from that. When you read two or more texts by different authors on the same topic, it helps to compare and contrast their points of view. So we want to look for the main ideas, and we also want to look for words or examples that the author uses to influence the readers. And you'll hear some of those, maybe not in these selections, but you'll hear them in different papers that you read. Not everyone agrees about the mission system's place in history. Some believe missionaries like Junipero Serra deserve praise for spreading their culture. Others believe that they were responsible for the mistreatment of California Indians. Some believe a little of both. You're going to read the two viewpoints about the missions and the missionaries shown here. Valentin Lopez is a modern-day California Indian leader. So he's going to have one perspective, one viewpoint. And then there's Ruben G. Mendoza, and he's a historian. Then use the organizer on the next page to describe the writer's points of view. So, in looking at viewpoint 1, it says, they, parentheses, it means the missionaries, they totally destroyed our culture. They destroyed our people. They destroyed our environment. And they stole our land. They brought diseases. Thousands of our people died. Valentin Lopez, chairman of the Ama Mutsun tribal band in 2015. So this is his viewpoint. Then we have a second viewpoint, viewpoint 2. Sarah endured great hardships to evangelize. That means to teach Catholicism too. That's evangelize. Evangelize Native Californians. In the process, he started the development of a chain of missions that helped give birth to modern California. Dig a little deeper and you'll find evidence of a new, diverse society flourishing, one that makes California and its Latino culture unique. And this was Ruben G. Mendoza, Los Angeles Times, March 17, 2015. So they have two different viewpoints. We're going to compare them. Do they have anything that's similar? Do they have anything that's different? Yes. So you're going to complete, this would basically be a double bubble, right? Because we'd be comparing and contrasting these viewpoints. But in this case, in our book here, we're just going to write them here. You're going to write down what it says in viewpoint 1, what they might have, what you could underline in here, the statements that they use for viewpoint 1. Then looking at viewpoint 2, you're going to underline statements that are used that gets across viewpoint 2's point of view. Okay? So you'll use details from the work that you do here, putting the examples in here. You'll use these details to answer these questions in complete sentences on the line here. Okay? If you have any questions, be sure that you talk to your teachers about it, and I'm sure that they will be able to help you with anything you need.